Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee, and here we have this beautiful Pasquini Livia G4 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also replaced this water pump that you see right here. Machine was not detecting any water, so it will not turn on or do anything. Right now the machine, as you can see, is working perfectly fine. Temperature of the boiler is at 1.2 bars, which is excellent. Steam levers work. You can even set it down. And if you would like to change the configuration of this to be up instead of down, you can always rotate this all the way like that. And now you have it up instead of down. I'm gonna put it down. There you go. Excellent steam pressure coming out from this machine. We'll test the hot water at the end because I don't want this machine to lose its pressure that it has. But now let's pull the shot. I'm using our test coffee, and this grind has not been dialed in with this grind machine, so we might see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Almost going to 9 bars, which means my grind, probably because we're using old coffee. This coffee's been on this container since it was full, so it's definitely old coffee at this point. We were able to get to 8 bars of pressure and get a little bit of crema, as you can see from here. Great color. Looking great. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. And hot water, as you can see, having excellent flow, great temperature, working great. Machine, of course, is now refilling the steam boiler since we use a bit of the hot water. There you go. Now the steam boiler is full and it's back to its heating cycle, but it will go around 1.2 bars of pressure and it will stop. There you go. Back to pressure. Working great. So there you have it, Pasquini Livia G4 working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.